Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software, tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you now how to add top paper edge effect into your video in Camtasia video editing software without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular video clip right here, if I slide to this particular transition, you find out that there is a top paper edge in this particular clip right here. Right here. How can you achieve this effect in Camtasia and add different kind of transition to make your video look more unique in Camtasia video editing software? Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do right here, like for instance, if I want to add top paper edge effect to another side in this particular clip, I can decide to start from here in the timeline, then go ahead and make sure the video clip is active in the track, then come to the split right here. Then we can decide to add this to this particular point right here. So click on here and make sure you go to split. Now we have this particular part right here that we want to add the top paper edge effect into our video clip right here. Now what you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your visual effect right here. Under the visual effect, there are a lot of effects right here. So what you need to do is to scroll down all the way down until you get to top edge right here. So what you need to do is to click on it and drag it all over the clip that you want. Once you drag it onto the clip, it's going to be effect just like what you see right here. Okay, so it's going to be effects just like what you see right here. Now once you have the effect, you can as well add different kind of color, simple editing effect right here. First of all, we can decide to add transition. So for that, we want to make sure we go to our transition tab from the tool right there, select on transition tab. Then it's going to load all available transition right here. We can decide to use this action swipe and drag it all over right here. So let's play the video here. Now you find out that the transition reflects just like so. Then we can go ahead and add the edge transition right here. So for this point right here, so we're going to go ahead and use this transition end right here. So let's play the video from the side right here and click on my play edge just like so. Then the edge transition is going to be something like this, just like so. Now let's go ahead and do simple editing with the top paper edge effect. So select on the video in the timeline, then here you have the edge effect property in the sidebar right here. So what you want to do is to scroll down right here, and then you can decide to change the color from white to another color of your choice. So the more you hover your mouse, the more the color is going to be appear in the video, just like what you see right here. So if I play the video, you find out that the color has been reflected in the video right here. Go ahead and click on the video in the timeline again, then you can work on the size. So you can adjust the size right here. So everything depends on how you want it to be, and it's not going to affect your video. It is a kind of cool effect that's it. Then you can also work on the tap right here. So everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve right here. So you can see all the two effects right here. So you are good to go. So it's that simple. So we can come back to the color right here. We can use this particular eye color dropper to pick color from the existing project, just like so. Go ahead and go back to the previous color like this right here. So we tap it right here. So let's play the video from the beginning right here. Boom, and you have the top edge paper effect and transition successfully added to your video in the Camtasia video editing software. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to work with Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.